Okay, this is my implementation of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. So this is my capstone. I'm designing and implementing a web application of my own with Python and JavaScript. Okay, now I have done this app with General Framework, okay, and JavaScript in the front end. All right. Now, before we start, let me explain what does each feature does here. First of all, this is our logo that I've done with Canva. It just makes our app look great. Okay. So this is also the link to the flag quiz game. It can this is a how to play, basically how to play this game. It just tells you explains how to play the game. Once you are you have read this, then you can go back, you can click here and go back to the game to start the quiz. Then you will see the results. When you play the quiz, it will tell you whether you have incorrect, you gave a correct answer or an incorrect answer. Then here you can start the game with this button, start the game. You can click this button to start the game. Here it will show you your scores. Here in this yellow box here, it will show you the time, the countdown timer. From 15 seconds. So it means you have 15 seconds to finish this game. If you don't finish in 15 seconds, the game will be over, will end. Okay, so let's start now. You can see the timer has started. Once you click start the quiz. Austria, we try to click the correct flag. I think it's this one. Correct is selected, the right flag. So once you are here at the start, the timer will stop here at whatever point it was. It will stop and then update the score and then change here to tell you to continue with the game. You can't do anything now. You can't click Austria again or anywhere else. It will just tell you to continue with the game. You continue again. Egypt, we click the flag for Egypt. We are correct. The score is updated. Let's continue again to play Latvia. Continue. This one, St. Kitts and Nevis. Correct again. Ghana. Correct again. Madagascar. I think it's this one. Correct again. Haiti. Correct again. Haiti again. Because I was guessing, I'm not even sure what I clicked before. Zambia. We continue. Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, now I'm going to click an incorrect flag so that we can see what happens when it is incorrect. When it is incorrect, it will just reload the page after 2 seconds and all the scores will be reset. So that's it for this game. I enjoyed working on this game and I will continue to work on this game. And I want to host it on the internet so that anyone can play this game because it's very fun and educational. It's fun with world flags. I just call it fun with world flags quiz. So it's very, very fun to play. It's very educational. You learn a lot about, world these flags, Yeah, they are flags that I've never seen before. They are country names that I've never heard of before.